welcome to Saturday Stitches with Frankenstein's Fabrics. This week we had a special request sent in by Michelle for water. Now I like to treat water as the same as I treat stipple. It's tessellating and moving across the block or the border or the sashing or whatever you're doing, but it's then coming back on yourself. So water is inspired by a lot of Japanese designs. So if you have a look at some of the Japanese panels, there's often a bit of water. It's a bit wispy, looking like smoke, and I'll pop a picture in this one as well so you can have a look. But water is the same sort of flow in movement as stipple. So as usual, standard stitches, feed teeth up on this Janome. I've got my bobbin thread and my top thread in my hand, and I've got my hands evenly spaced. The thing with this style of water is that there's a lot of this T shape. So if you follow that, you won't go wrong. There is also a lot of this single side of the T, so it's sort of like a hook. So if you tessellate T's and hooks in together and move across your shape, you will have a lot more smoother look of the water. And don't forget, depending on where you are on your quilt, you can use the stitch in the ditch sections or your edge of your quilt to travel to get to spaces you've missed. So, once you've had a practice of water, use stipple first, get used to the rhythm of stipple, and then try water. You can break it down this way. So just remember, T's and hooks. T's and hooks, and space your lines apart in different measurements. That way it has the movement of water. So get close together in some sections, curve out. It doesn't have to be a straight line, so curve out and come down, or curve out and go up. Make sure you remember T's and hooks, curve, big different gaps between spaces, and water will look nice and smooth for you. Also, if you'd like to, practice with pen and paper, and that will give you muscle memory and help you with your free motion quilting. Thanks for suggesting this one, Michelle, and we'll see you next week for Saturday Stitches. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.